As you know, the Big Shopping Day sale is going on Flipkart. And in this video, I will give you a list of 10 tech products at great deals under 1000 rupees. So, let's get started. If you are a phone addict, then definitely you would be running out of power by evening. This power bank from Xiaomi will have you covered. Its capacity is 10,000 mAh and can charge a normal smartphone up to 3 times from 0 to 100% in just a single charge. There are 3 LED lights in the power bank which shows the amount of charge left in the power bank. It has a single USB port and it supports pass-through charging. It is available at the price of $9.99 in the Flipkart's Big Shopping Day sale, so go and grab it. Everyone consumes a lot of media in their smartphone and tablets and often run out of storage. But the 32GB and 64GB memory cards from a tier 1 brand like Samsung is all you need, which give very fast speeds up to 80 Mbps. This is a must-have as it is available on Flipkart from 700 and 1300 respectively. You should buy this, links are in the description. Do check them out. The year 2015 and 2016 boosted the sale of fitness trackers, but still many people can't afford it as it is quite expensive. But when you get activity, sleep, steps tracking along with heart rate sensor and a screen which is 80% accurate, why won't you get it? And here is a chance for you to grab one at 1499. Yes, the Intex Fitrest Pulse. Up next, we have two on-ear headphones. The first one is the Sony MDR ZX 110A wired headphones. It is from a tier 1 brand with adjustable head sizes option. It also has that cushion for the ear, but the build quality is average as it is completely made up of plastic. But at the price of $599, you cannot really complain. You will be getting above average sound quality. The next headphone which you can definitely have a look at is the JBL T250 SI stereo wired headphones, which is available at 749 rupees. It has everything that the Sony headphone has, but it has a better build quality and slightly better sound clarity and bass. As we are on the topic of music, let me also suggest you the in-ear option, which is the Sennheiser CX180 in the ear wired headphone, which is available at the price of $799. It has great sound quality, it is well built and is quite comfortable, and it does not hurt if you use it for longer duration of time. Last, from the topic of audio is the 2.1 speakers from the brand Intex, the Intex IT880 UOS home audio speaker. You get 2 speakers and a buffer along with a remote. It has a single USB port and a dedicated SD card slot, so basically you can play music even without connecting it to a PC, laptop or smartphone. And you can also operate it with a dedicated remote, so it serves as a good home 2.1 speaker, but the con is that it has a bit less bass, but that will not affect that much. Things from the list are the 2 budget routers from TP-Link, as people asked for a good budget router. Have a look on the ports and buttons. Both of these has 4 LAN ports, 1 WAN port, 1 power input port, 1 power on off button, 1 Wi-Fi on off button and 1 WPS reset button. These routers are real bang for the buck and you can pick any one of them at $899 and $949 respectively. So that is all for this list of 10 great deals which you can still grab from the Flipkart's Big Shopping Day sale. All the mentioned product direct links can be found in the video description down below. If you agree with my list, hit the like button. If not, hit the dislike button. Comment down your good deals in the comment section down below. I will be glad to know that. And yes, hit the subscribe button as every subscriber does matter a lot. And hit the bell icon to find my videos easily as the new YouTube algorithm is making it difficult. So this is me Rahul from Tech Daily bidding you a bye-bye.